Hello folks, let's welcome back another important session. Excel, I would like to give you three methods: auto fit columns and auto fit column height and row width, row auto row width. Actually, we're going to see that now. Okay, it is as simple as it is. If you would like to know, rise your skills. This is my YouTube channel. You can subscribe it and let's play with the data. So let's check. You can see this. So all these are the different methods. Okay. So your first method, double click row and column heading bar. I would like to give one instruction. I'll give you some examples. Don't worry about that. For all these three methods, the one common action we should perform before doing that, that is Control A, selecting your data. Basically, total sheet or selecting your data. That's what our intention is all about. Let's try to check this on Excel. Let me do one thing. So I just need to open this one. Okay, here you go. Let's come here. So I think, like what exactly it is, we're going to see now in another few minutes. Let me increase the font. Okay, so let me try to enter some random text. Okay, so like God is so powerful. Okay, so in this second, I'm typing like, you can choose your own destination. Okay, so again, I'm doing one more. Sachin Tendulkar is top batsman in this world. Okay, so if I type all these three sentences, it is somewhere here mixed. Okay, so let me put it one more row. Let me drag like this, one more row. Let me drag one more row like this. I'm just typing here. So let me try to put this column width also like this. Okay, so let's try to enter some more text. Hello folks. Okay, so this is one thing. So let me do some random text. I'm just wanted to give an example. Okay, hello, press enter. Okay, so this is learning always your priority. Okay, so Indian team has full of good spinners. So I'm just writing some random text actually. So this is how the text is. So king of Andhra. Okay, just some random text. Feel your thoughts with good feelings. You can play cricket anytime. So this is the random text. Let's assume this is the text actually. So different text entered in different columns, but you cannot able to see this. How do I do that? It's simple. Just press Ctrl A. So just wanted to adjusting the text. So the width of the columns and width of the rows and height of your columns. I'm going to adjust now. So you can select this, or else completely you can select the better select the sheet actually. You don't know which cell they have entered the text actually. Once you do that, simply click here. See, so this is the button is there, right? So any one of the row, you click here. So your rows got adjusted. So your column, your column height got adjusted if you click here. In the similar way, if you click any one of the row, it will be adjusted. This is one of the shortcut method. Okay, so now let's do another method. Now see this, everything is filled exactly. So according to the width of the row, so it is got created, right? So let me delete it, some of the rows, so that we can try to utilize the screen better. So this is the thing. Okay, so let's do one thing, Control Z. Okay, so let's keep it this. I would like to show you another method here. So delete and let's save this. Okay, now let me show you another method. Again, you can say from your keyboard Control A, or else you do the selection this one. Okay, so Control A. Okay, once you do that, so I'm going to show you the second method. So let's come here. What is the second method? So format section, you have to play with the system actually. Simple. Let's come here. So let me try to minimize this. Okay. So now again, go one more time, control selection. So here you go to the format. Okay. First, I would like to see, you can see this auto column width. Okay, so that columns will be adjusted. This is auto fit row width. If I click this, see, rows will be adjusted, but still you cannot able to see the text properly. Now go to the format. Let's try to click the autumn column width. So it is got adjusted. This is the second way. Okay. So now let me show you third way. It is a bit confusing, but it's okay. So these two methods are fine. Alt H, you press Alt key, first press H and O. Then you have to press I and A. Okay. So I will show you what exactly it is. So it will go to the same format section. So let me put this Control Z. Okay. So this is again the same text. Okay. I'll just try to play with the data. Okay. Now press Control A or else Control, select the full sheet. Okay. So now from your keyboard that I can able to show you Alt H O. Okay. So let me do one thing. So Alt H O. Okay, now see this here also HO, it is coming, right? You have to press the, if I press I, auto column width adjusted. If I press A, auto row width adjusted. First, let's try to adjust the I. Either you can select this or from your keyboard, you can press I. Okay, so I pressed I from my keyboard, it is got adjusted. Next, Alt Control. So again, Alt H O from your keyboard. Okay. So let me do one thing, certain times Alt H O. Okay, now it came. So now I would like to so column I would like to adjust it. Okay. So which one? I think a column I have adjusted, row I need to adjust it now. So row is what? Press A from your keyboard. This is how you can able to play with the data. Okay. So let me show you some example. Yesterday, whatever the data we have created with this example, see, this is the three rows. I would like to do it first. Okay. First select this. Okay. Control A or this one. Let's click the row. First method. Okay, let's click, so first click the column or row, anything fine. So now data is adjusted, right? So previously it is not like that. This is how you can able to adjust the data. Okay, let me try to little decrease the font, so better. So let's keep it. So this is how we have to play it. No problem. Let it be. So this is one thing. Again, I'm pressing Control Z to show you the method, another method. So again, Control A. Okay. Control A. So let's go to the format and click on auto row height or rows adjusted. So now let me write auto column width. This is how it will be adjusted. You can able to see this one here. Okay, it is got adjusted. Again, Control Z. Okay, fast. Let me show you. So now Alt H O. Okay, certain times it will behave in odd way. Don't worry. Alt H O. I need to press properly this one second. Alt H then O. So why it is not coming, I don't know. Let me check this one out. Certain times, if it depends on the keyboard how, so it is coming this one. 1 second. Let me select this sheet, Alt H O. Let me give a try one more time. This one, this is irritating in my keyboard. Okay. Let it be Alt H O. Somehow it is not coming on my way for this table. Yesterday it is worked actually. Something happened. Alt H O. Yeah, now it came. So let me press uh, A for row height. Okay, it's got adjusted. In the similar way, you can try for column also. So this is bit painful. Better go to the format and do Alt H O. So this shortcut. Sometimes it is working, sometimes Alt H O. It's not working again. Okay. Probably you can try on your keyboard. So now it came. So now I wanted to do it column height. Just press I. Okay. This is how you can able to play with the data. Okay. So it's a problem with my keyboard. You can give a try. Okay. So that's all for today. I'm just to take the screenshot of this slide and you can do the practice. So just whatever the table yesterday you have created, right? In the table, you just try to adjust the rows and columns so you can play with the system. Thanks so much. Wishing all the best. Have a great day.